Enterprise integration is a managed service provider that takes responsibility for deploying, operating and supporting client environments and dealing with issues and developing strategy to take things forward and support their business needs.
The vision of EI started in the late 1990s. Our founder, Mike Locher, had a vision of what he called and termed delivering the promise of IT. The delivering the promise of IT is that available system. My system works. And it also said, I need to understand the supply chain from the endpoint to the data center. And we saw early in 2000 that that data center was turning into the cloud. And so we said, how do we get in front of this?
Well, if you think about the tasks you perform on a daily basis, just general things, you wake up in the morning, you make yourself a cup of coffee, you drive to work. Those tasks have been automated, or they are being automated.
Digital robotics is the evolution of advanced automation. It used to be called expert systems, but as it advances more in the industry, the name for digital robotics has stuck with it.
So what digital robotics is a standardization process to ensure that every single solution that we deploy and every single customer that we support is always dealing with the most up-to-date information, the most standardized documentation, and the most effective tools for each engineer to use to deal with any situation that may arise.
The relationship between digital robotics and SDI is a suite of products, from our supply chain discovery to endpoint experience to our visualization of this massive amount of data. And the digital robotics sits at our core of systems assurance. And it takes these event storms and humanizes them so that we can effectively manage IT in a much more competitive environment.
In the past, you had a diverse ecosystem of products, monitoring your environment. These systems would deliver alerts directly to an engineer, oftentimes just flooding them, with information, so that when a significant alert came in, oftentimes it was just drowned out by all of the other alerts that had come in. What we've done with digital robotics is we've taken all of these diverse systems, correlated the data, rolled it up into a single pane of glass view that provides an engineer an easy way to decipher all this information, filters out the noise, shows them what's important when they log in. The engineer doesn't have to wade through gigabytes of data to find that needle in the haystack. We find it for them.
Once we've documented all of this information, as part of our commitment to our customers, we will provide elements such as inventory lists, standard documentation, standard diagrams, so they're familiar with their own environment and what we've implemented and what we're supporting. So how this benefits customers. We have a number of customers that are subject to auditing, for example. So in order to meet their requirements for certain standards and bodies, they have to ensure they have a fully up-to-date inventory list. We can ensure that we can give them that, and it's automated. There's no manual intervention involved to ensure that they've got the most up-to-date inventory information at their disposal.
Personally, I've worked at EI for over 13 years. Throughout that time, I've seen one thing remain constant, and that's EI's vision. And that vision is to deliver the promise of IT.
So we believe in a raving fan customer service, and to deliver that, we need to focus on the client, have that intimate relationship. And by leveraging the digital robotics, we're able to be competitive, create advanced technology that people haven't even thought of. The framework of the digital robotics allows us to go far into the future and be truly proactive in the service delivery that we provide. So we're a managed service provider that's powered by digital robotics. And the digital robotics combined with customer service truly differentiates us from our competitors.